Hey Lou, hey Will. My name is Tomas. I love that you always put some humor into the show. I crack up several times usually. What was your first pet? How big of a crime is putting pineapples on pizza? Okay, I'll do the pet one first. I probably had a goldfish. That doesn't count. It didn't last very long. I had a dog, a puppy named Buddy, that was hit by a transport truck when I was young. I still recall crying about that with the whole family. We came back from a trip. Someone was babysitting the dog, and he's like, yeah, I got hit by the transport truck.
Oh, no.
The screen door was left open. Crazy story. We lived in a kind of like a rural setting when I was really young for like a couple years of my life, and that's where this occurred. So it must have been close to like a main freeway or something, or whatever it was that happened. We cried whole family for like a day. After that, got another dog named Spike. That was a wonderful dog. German Shepherd. It was a mix. Some German Shepherd and some other type of dog as well, mixed together. She was, that was a dog. That was a dog. She, when you would come home, I mean, it was a noble dog. I mean, she would look out for you. And just a part of the house, you know? Lots of love. You would go away on a trip or something, you come back. Oh, man. Tail wagging. Love that dog. So that was next. What was the other? Pineapples? Go put pineapples, put whatever you want. It's not a crime. Wait. Sweet and salty is not confusing. It's a common flavor. People go crazy over this one. Like, you can't do, what do you do? Someone arrest this man. Sweet and salty is well established. Sweet and salty, that's peanut butter. I think that people who hate this combination probably hate peanut butter, probably hate salted caramel. It's just sweet and salt. You know there's not that many flavors? You watch that Netflix one? Sweet, salt, fat. It's not... Yeah, salt, fat, acid, heat. It's not that many flavors to figure out. So Kirk's saying peanut butter, but that's your own hang up. That's your own hang up, because I feel like it just comes across as just a sweet, salty thing going on. And tomato sauce is already sweet to go with the salty cheese. So it's just kind of like, it could be over the top sweet for somebody. I can get that. It's a lot of sweetness, and that might be what people are against. But I don't care. I'll easily eat that. And I'm not even mad if anybody, honestly, and we had this pizza conversation. Pizza, for me, is very important. We talked about it multiple times. But how you take your pizza and where you get your pizza doesn't really bug me. You want to do deep dish, Chicago, pineapple. You want to make a dessert pizza. I like the concept of the pizza. Like, pizza is representative of a thing for me. Now, you could ask me my preferences. I have them. I like fairly simple pizzas myself, is what I would typically have. But, man, you do your thing, man. Do your thing. I remember when I was young, I was a big Ninja Turtles guy. You know Ninja Turtles?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, man, don't get offended or anything. You know, maybe you didn't. Maybe you weren't a Ninja Turtles guy. It's possible. I mean, the youngsters out there, they never heard of the Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles, they got the pizza thing in the way that I did. They got it. Like, their clan, their group, their social, their atmosphere, like, pizza brought it all together. Look at that. You get it. Look at that.
So friendly.
Each one of them on a slice. They shared, you know? Every so often, Raphael, he didn't want to be part of the team or whatever. He was mad at Leonardo or whatever. The pizza, representative of the whole package, of the circle, of the inner sanctum, you know? I love that pizza was their thing. You see? Brought them all together. They're all mad at each other. Who's the leader? Who's not? Let's have a pizza. You know? And it was always the social, the extroverted one. It was Michelangelo that was the pizza guy, the most excited about pizza, who brought them. You see how that works? And of course, also an incredible endorsement opportunity for Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Incredible endorsement opportunity for Pizza Hut. All right, let's do a quick poll. Favorite Ninja Turtle growing up? Don't lie.
Donatello.
Donatello.
Yeah.
with he had the
long stick.
staff,
pole. Yeah.
and he was also he was a smart one,
Yeah.
like
The
with
nerdy guy.
computers and
Yeah.
gadgets and things like that. Kirk, who do you got? You're going with Raphael. Yeah. You like the angst.
rebel.
He was dramatic. He was dark and dramatic. I'm not going to lie. I liked him too. I'm not going to lie. Jack, which Ninja Turtle? No, you can't take Casey Jones, man. Can he take Casey Jones? I feel like that's... No, so did I, but I feel like you can't answer that. I feel like it's not fair. Take Casey Jones, but take a Ninja Turtle as well. He'll go Leonardo. Okay.
Leonardo. Okay.
The blue mask. It's fair. We got to round it. No one took Michelangelo. Michelangelo, my brother's favorite. Nunchucks. I'll tell you a quick little tidbit on the Ninja Turtles. They only gave him the colors because they were worried that the weapons weren't enough of a differentiator for the North American audience. The Ninja Turtles in Japan all had the blue mask. They didn't have the colors, so they were less of a boy band. And because of the martial arts history in Japan, it was enough of a differentiation to just know which weapon they had that was unique. The mask and the color didn't have to be unique. So they got repackaged for North American consumption, much like the NES, which used to have a gray, it used to have a gray pistol. What's that thing called for Duck Hunt? Blaster. It used to have a gray blaster. And then for the North American market, the moms got all scared and whatnot, so they made it red. So there's some background. Don't do this to me, Will. He's showing me fat Ninja Turtles now. Pizza destroyed their lives.